Racing gas is started. We have Don Albertini, break quickly to start. Princess Ella, Real Flames, hot and spicy. Here is a Hope. In the middle portion now is Hookshot, while Starbell is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader, and going along for the person we have Don Albertini on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3/4 of a length lead. Princess Ella in second, moving up now on the outside is Real Flames. Hookshot comes next, hot and spicy. Here is a Pope, while Starbell is still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Don Albertini moving up on the outside. Princess Ella, Real Flames, down on the inside now is a Pope, hot and spicy. Hookshot, while Starbell is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Princess Ella moving up now, down on the inside now is a Pope, now opted to run in the middle portion as they swing to home. Don Albertini, down on the inside is a Pope. Princess Ella, then comes Starbell. Last 100 meters, we have Don Albertini over Aires of Hope, and finally Don Albertini, Aires of Hope, then comes Starbell, close Princess Ella.
Alright, number 1, Don Albertini crossing the wire first. Ibang klase talaga yung puso nitong kabayong to. Ang taki mo, naglagpasan na pero talagang may second.